Hey, are you tired of your halogen bulbs burning out too fast? Well, let me introduce to you the AUXITO LED tail lights. AUXITO, global supplier for automotive. This is their LED tail lights. And you don't have to worry because this is all in one. Not only is it used for a turn signal, it can work for a tail light, brake lights, parking lights, and reverse light. So once you open it, there you go. Look at how beautiful the LED lights are. So you don't have to worry because, unlike the traditional halogen bulbs where they could burn out faster because they have oil on them. But since it's LED light, you can pretty much handle it like this. You see? Wow, it looks beautiful. This must be the projector end. So what you're looking at is 102 pieces of high power 4014 LED chips, all comprised through this round tube. That's the connector end. And let's go ahead and install it on my 2012 Mazda 6 sedan. Make sure it's compatible with your vehicle. All right, so I need to remove this trunk panel. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a panel popper. Basically, you want to insert it into this round hole until you pry it open. And once you get the front out, you can just pull it out. So there's also another one down here. Peel back the trunk panel and then the trunk liner, and then you're gonna be able to see the brake lights. There it is right there. I'm gonna use a piece of paper. You simply rotate it. I believe it's counterclockwise on this side to loosen it, and there's the bulb, the halogen bulb. And to remove the bulb, you simply pull it out with some force. So I haven't replaced in a while. At first I thought I had to pull out this section. It's actually just the forest section. So if you compare the halogen bulb to the new LED bulb, this is what it looks like. Okay. Now I'm going to simply insert the LED bulbs in here. And then they snap in place. There you have it. Alright. Reverse the process. Insert it in there until it's lined up. You know when it's lined up because that's when you'll be able to tighten it. See? I'm going to rotate it clockwise to tighten it. It's locked in place. So here's a tip on how to put these back in. You want it flared out or open like this, and then insert it in here. Okay, see how it goes in, and just press it. Now it's locked. And you can check to confirm. There it is. Now let's test it out. Now if you look on the right side, this is what the halogen bulb looks like. And I just noticed something. This is just a reflection. I thought I had dual. I was like, I didn't insert two LED. And it looks like, the backup lights on the turn signal is a different bulb. So you can basically use this type of LED bulb in here too. So it's dual purpose. So I'm waiting until it gets dark so we get a proper comparison. Time to replace the bulbs on the right side. I definitely need a light, especially being in dark. Use the same process as before. As you can see, installation was fairly simple and straightforward. So whether you're looking to replace your halogen bulbs, whether it be for your brake lights, otherwise known as tail lights, or the signal lights or the backup lights, it just makes sense to have LED, which is longer lasting than your typical halogen bulbs. And it is super bright at 2800 lumens. So if you're looking to ever replace your halogen bulbs with something that's longer lasting with LED technology, definitely check out the AUXITO LED lights.